The West is making mistakes, and Asia is capitalizing all on them. What if the West isn't actually being replaced, but is slowly losing its edge? Because while the West debates, delays, and struggles, Asia is moving forward and fast. Right now, many Western economies are facing serious pressure, such as rising debt levels, slower economic growth, and political gridlocks. In the US alone, national debt has surpassed $30 trillion. Europe is dealing with energy challenges and slow recovery. Progress isn't stopping, but it's slowing down. While that's happening, Asia is moving differently. Countries like China, India, and Indonesia are investing heavily in infrastructure, manufacturing, and technology. Entire cities, ports, and rail systems are being built at scale. The speed of execution is different. Take China's infrastructure push. Through projects like the Belt and Road Initiative, it's building trade connections across continents. Meanwhile, Southeast Asia is becoming a new manufacturing hub. Vietnam alone has seen massive foreign investments in recent years. This isn't just growth, it's long-term positioning. Asia is also targeting the industries of the future. China leads in electric vehicle productions, South Korea dominates semiconductors, and Japan leads robotics. These are not small sectors. These are industries that will define the next generation of power. So what's really happening? It's not just that Asia is rising, it's that the gap is closing really fast. And in some areas, Asia is already ahead. The question isn't whether the West is losing, it's whether it can keep up. So what are your thoughts? Drop a comment below. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit like, subscribe. Also hit that notification bell for more vlogs. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.